What can AI actually do for me?
I almost spent over $1,000 on the wrong purchase. Not because it was a bad product, but because I was solving to the wrong problem. It was a baby stroller. When my wife and I found out that we were having our first child, I did what everybody does. I started researching YouTube, Reddit, product reviews, comparison videos. By the end of it all, I had hundreds of opinions and yet still no idea what I would buy. Every stroller claimed to be the best, every parent swore by something different, and the more information I found, the harder the decision became. That's when I decided to change the question. Instead of asking, what's the best stroller, I asked myself, what does success actually look like? I wanted one system that would last forever, or at least long enough so I wouldn't have to do this again anytime soon. I needed an infant car seat that clicked into a stroller. I needed one with an extra base because the car seat would be moving between vehicles. And I wanted the stroller to grow with the family instead of having to replace it when we had another child. That was the desired outcome. Then I gave AI that outcome and I asked it to work backwards. Everything changed. It immediately ruled out the stroller systems that couldn't grow with me. It compared the long-term cost, not just the initial purchase price. It pointed out which models needed an extra adapter. It highlighted the trade-offs that I actually cared about, and most importantly, which ones would actually survive the rugged terrain of New Orleans sidewalks. Instead of being left to compare every stroller, I was comparing only the handful that fit my life. That's when I realized something. The biggest mistake people make with AI is asking it for the answer. The better approach is to tell it what you're trying to do or where you're trying to end up. Define the outcome first, then let AI help you figure out the path to get there. Ultimately, I still chose the stroller system. AI just made sure I was solving to the right problem. I'm Robert, founder of Pelican Intelligence, built here in New Orleans by a special operations veteran. Our mission is simple: help you get your time back with AI. I'll see you next time.